Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV, and today we're going to talk about the Columbus 384 RK. This is a 2023 year model. First off, we're going to look in the front storage compartment here. All kinds of extra space up front for your lawn chairs, things of that nature. Dual batteries. Coming up the side here. This particular unit has dual 30-pound tanks, one on both sides, so you have plenty of propane. Huge front storage. This has the auto leveling system controllers, the inverter. It has the solar panels on the roof. This thing is loaded up. True 2-inch slam baggage doors. Move back. This has all of your city water hookups, your dump valves, your water filtration system, outside shower, everything enclosed in the true 2-inch thick slam baggage doors. 6-point hydraulic auto levy. Small rear storage compartment. This particular unit has a true 2-inch receiver, so you can put a bike rack or carrier on here. Ladder, so it is a full walk-on roof. This particular unit has dual awnings. It has slide-out awnings, but it also has dual metal wrapped awnings. So there's a huge amount of storage covered under the awnings. It's a dual door unit. We're going to walk in the back door to start with. This door goes directly into the kitchen. Huge refrigerator, pantry, 4-burner range, huge oven. This is one of the only ovens. It's the Insignia oven that has enough room that you can actually cook a turkey in a camper. We're going to walk through. It has the huge, deep stainless sink. Walking up the side, we have the kitchen area, which has the table and chairs, which it also has 2 folding chairs that is underneath the bed. It has 2 tri-fold sofas, 1 theater sofa that is actually across from the entertainment area. It has a 40-inch fireplace, 50-inch flat screen TV, storage. We're going to come through here. This has the half bath. This particular unit has the porcelain toilet in the half bath. We're going to go on up the stairs, but before we get all the way up, this is the centralized control area that runs the rooms in and out. Everything. We're coming on up. Has the true king bed. Chest of drawers. Already has the TV mounted. This particular unit has the ducted ACs on the roof, solar panels on the roof. As we walk into the master bathroom, we have the his and her sinks, the true tri-slide walk-in shower with the wooden bench, porcelain toilets, huge front closet with washer and dryer installed. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook. And we hit these really quick, so if there's any more questions, please reach out to us.